Emoji, those small little pictures that might have found their way into some of your text messages or online comments. You might think that emoji are a relatively new phenomenon. However, they're simply a type of symbol system. Systems that have been used by humans to convey meaning for tens of thousands of years. In fact, social researchers have been investigating the use of symbol systems to inform our knowledge of the social world for the past 7 decades. These 5 emojis all display different facial expressions you're probably pretty familiar with. However, if I were to ask each one of you here to name one of these expressions and associate an experience with it, I would likely get as many answers as there are people here. And that is because individuals experience well-being differently, and that makes well-being a really difficult concept to define. But if we know that individuals or groups experience well-being in a variety of ways, you might think that a researcher investigating the well-being of a specific population might ask members of that group how they experience being well. Well, I did. However, after completing a systematic review of the literature and uncovering over 85 different instruments designed to measure young children's well-being between the transition from preschool to school, none, not one, were informed by children themselves. This gap in current knowledge forms the basis of my research and has led me to investigate if young children do understand and experience well-being in the ways that adults have currently defined. That brings me back to the emojis. I needed a tool in my research that could elicit children's voices of their own well-being without the need for me to ask leading questions or define what I, an adult, thought well-being was. So I used these and 18 other emoji pictures to conduct focus groups with 78 preschool-aged children to understand how they conceptualize being well. What have I found? Through analysis of the data, children's voices have confirmed key areas of our current definitions. But much more excitingly, young children have actually identified 2 new areas of well-being currently left undefined. These 2 new child-identified areas, which are the importance of play and children's want for agency and control, offer new avenues for increasing our understanding. Avenues currently left unexplored. So where do I go from here? I'm currently designing a longitudinal study that will track a cohort of children as they transition from preschool to school. In this way, I'll be able to investigate if the current programs and practices in place are in fact supportive to young children, or if well-being has truly been lost in transition. Thank you.